Okay, today we are working on a test for a customer. We are using a Q-Sage 10 by 24 Debearder, and what we are doing, we are taking these dish soap packets for dishwashers, and we're using the Debearder to knock them out of their packets, and our goal is to not destroy the package and make the particles of the package too fine, which I believe it is doing. We've already ran a small sample through it, and you can see it here at the bottom of this bucket. The soap is knocked out and the packages are still intact, and they are large pieces. This rotates in here. This center bar rotates and beats them out of their package. They go in here, and then it gets discharged right out here and into the bucket. Another thing I wanted to say about this unit is it has an air clean out. You hook your air onto there and it helps blow the chamber clean. We're going to go ahead and run the test. I'm going to have to do it by hand.
Right. Okay. Go. Stop feeding it so we can analyze the product. Okay, I noticed that it was making some dust, as you can see here, which I'm sure you don't mind. Dust suction can be added here. This cover. This is a gate which you may not need that keeps the product in longer. It's a dwell gate. Okay. We had that open. You can shut this up and you can suck dust out. So now looking at the product, we have the packages in pretty big flakes and the soap in all different sizes. Now if you kept your dwell in there, you close that gate, you would probably get it finer, but you might chew up your packages. So you want the machine, there's a small piece, you want the machine just to bust it out of the packages. I think we're on the right track. We're going to box this up and send it to you, and we'll also look inside the machine again after running it to see what it's going to, if it's going to build up or harm the machine or anything like that. Now this is a typical inlet feed for free flowing grain. We can make a hopper that would couple to this, and then you would have a big hopper for them to dump 5-gallon buckets in at a time, or feed it from a conveyor, and that would keep them away from, you don't want them sticking their hands down in there. That way it would make it to where whoever's feeding it, or if you have a machine feeding it, it ain't an issue. But your product stream then could be consistent. Also, the more consistent your product stream is feeding into this and coming out, the more consistent package destruction and the destruction of the soap cakes also. We'll feed a little bit more through, and then we will package it up and send it to you. Okay, we fed it faster, and the door was closed longer, or less opening, and we had pretty good success. It's a little finer, but I think the pieces are big like you want them. So we're going to run the rest and then put it back in the bucket and send it to you and see what you think. You are going to get this powder, so you're going to need some dust control with this machine, or probably any machine if we go with a roller mill or something. Run it with the door wide open, and then you guys can reduce the particles. But I think it'll work. Alright, there's the last bit of it ran. And I think you guys will like it. So as you can see, there it is with the papers, and there's still stuff in the bottom. And but it has a big space between the teeth, the stationary and the rotary. That'll knock the soap apart and not make the package small.